Brisbane Euro Mercedes-Benz Service is the alternative to the Mercedes dealership in Brisbane. Our dedicated team of highly skilled technicians specializes in delivering exceptional maintenance and repair services for your prestigious Mercedes-Benz vehicle. We take pride in our commitment to excellence, ensuring that your car receives the utmost care and attention it deserves since 1974. With 5 convenient locations across inner-city Brisbane, we aim to make service or repair to your Mercedes-Benz as convenient as it can be. Full-service locations: Milton, Newstead, South Brisbane, Gabba and Bulimba. All workshops have full in-house tyre facilities to provide the most efficient and cost-effective solution for your Mercedes model. Brisbane Euro Mercedes-Benz service is synonymous with using genuine Mercedes-Benz parts.